Within a hub, you can read posts from other members, comment, like, or share content with those in the hub. It may feel familiar, as it is similar to social networking sites you may use elsewhere. While each hub is different, they all have some things in common. Tabs across the top give you easy access to view current members, see media files shared with the hub, review events, and learn more about the hub. Hub admins have the ability to create group topics for discussion, so you can easily extend your face-to-face gatherings to a safe, online environment. You can also generate polls to gauge interest in activities or to allow the hub to vote on specific issues. A hub is a great way to connect with others and stay informed about the things that are important to you.